Hi, JK Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing this 2011 JK Wrangler's factory side marker, parking, and turn signal light with our LED upgrades. Installation is plug and play and can be done at home in your garage. Let's get started. Now, fortunately for all you Jeep owners out there, they made it unbelievably easy to access your factory turn signal and parking light. You'll simply reach up back behind the grille and pull your stock bulb out. You can then remove the stock bulb and plug in your Diode Dynamics upgrade. Now these bulbs are polar sensitive, so it's a good idea to test the connection before reinstalling the bulb to make sure that everything's functioning properly. Once you've confirmed the connection, we'll move on to installing the resistors. Now when switching from incandescent lighting to LED, the lower power draw can cause your blinkers to hyperflash or blink faster than normal. So to easily and quickly correct this, we're going to install the Diode Dynamics Resistor Kit. Now on the turn signal itself, you're going to notice that there's 3 wires. Our quick splices for our resistor are going to go on the black ground wire and then the outside power wire here. You're going to insert your black ground wire onto the outside channel of your quick splice. Now, same thing on your power wire. You're going to want to use that outside channel right here. We're going to insert our red resistor wire into the inside channel of each quick splice and secure it using the crimper. Alright, with your quick splices connected and your wires secure, we can go ahead and reinstall the bulb and tuck away the resistor. Now, when reinstalling the bulb, make sure that the resistor itself is away from any plastic or anything that might be overly sensitive to heat. Alright, with our turn signal installed, we're going to go ahead and move on to the side marker light. You'll simply reach up under the front fender, turn counterclockwise, and remove the stock bulb. You can pull your stock bulb out and replace it with your Diode Dynamics LED bulb. Return it back into the socket and turn clockwise to secure it. Now you're going to repeat all these same steps on the other side to finalize the installation of your new LED front turn signal and side marker bulbs. With your LED upgrades installed, your JK Wrangler not only will take on a 21st century look, but have better visibility when on the road. All the bulbs shown here today carry the Diode Dynamics 3-year worry-free warranty and are available now on our website. So visit diodedynamics.com for more information or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.